Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel an order on Argos. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So it actually says on Argos' website that we can cancel most orders in the recent orders section of our account. So in order to find that, you'll first need to go onto the Argos website, and once you are on here you do want to log into your account. Now in order to tell if you're logged into your account, you can go in the top right corner and it should say hi and then your name up here, and it should also say sign out. So if you've checked that and you are signed in, you can go over to this bit just below that where it says account, and when we click on that, one of these options in the top left corner is recent orders. So when we click on this, here we're going to see all our recent orders for our Argos account, and what we will need to do is look for the one we've recently made that we're looking to cancel, and once you do see it there will be an option to cancel it just next to where the order details are. However, you need to be aware that not all orders will be able to be cancelled, so you may want to check with Argos to make sure your item can actually be cancelled. So that's how you can cancel an order on Argos. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.